Good day my friend, and welcome to the Mercedes W124 channel. On today's video we're going to be fixing the light on an automatic gearbox. I'm referring to when we drive at night, we have the light switch on and this should light up what says on what gear you are. So let's have a look now. Not sure if you are aware, but you are right now on the largest Mercedes W124 channel that exists. So if you have that car, please do subscribe because the video will be very useful to you and make you save quite a bit of money. As well, if you want to help me, because obviously I need to buy parts in order to continue with the videos, etc. So if you want to help, just look at the description of the video. There's a link and you can support whatever you feel like. And at the same time, I would like to thank all the people that have given something. Thank you very much. Let's continue with the video. In order to fix it, we'll have to remove that panel, okay? I've shown it to you before on a previous video, but anyway, we'll do it again with a flat screwdriver and a star screwdriver. The panel is now removed, and if we look at the front here, we have a cable. Let's pull it, and here we go, we've got the bulb, okay? And as we can see, it's black, so it's to be changed. I've now removed the old bulb, and I fitted a new one, a spare one that I had. So before we mount everything back, we make sure it works. And it works, it's perfect, okay? Let's now mount everything back together. Also, this is a normal halogen bulb, so obviously I will place the reference number on the video, but if you wish to place a LED bulb, I will also place the reference, okay, in case you want to change it. It's now all fitted and we are at night. I will try to show you at night, but my camera is not a night camera, so I'm not sure you'll be able to see it. I hope you can, but if not, I'm sorry. That's it for today, my friends. I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care of yourself.